going to start with a slip knot. Then I'm going to chain 11 chains. I'm going to skip this first chain that's closest to the hook and then do a single crochet into the second chain from the hook. Then I'm going to do a single crochet in the rest of the chains for row 1. When you're done with row 1, you should have 10 single crochets. Okay, and then chain 1 and turn. And then we're going to decrease over these first 2 stitches. We're going to work 2 single crochets together. You're going to insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, and then we're not going to finish the stitch. We're going to go ahead and insert the hook into the very next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. You'll then have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops to work those 2 single crochets together to do a decrease. And then 1 single crochet into the next 6 stitches. And then we're going to work a decrease stitch over the last 2 stitches. We're going to work 2 single crochets together. So I'm going to insert my hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, insert my hook into the next stitch, which is the last stitch of this row, yarn over and pull up a loop. And then I'm going to switch to the new color to finish this stitch. The next color is the orange yarn. Okay, so I'm yarning over with the orange yarn, and I'm going to pull through all 3 loops to finish my stitch. And that completes the decrease or the 2 single crochets together. Okay, and then yarn over, turn your work, and then I'm going to work a decrease stitch over these first 2 stitches. So I'm going to insert my hook into the first stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, insert my hook into the next stitch, yarn over, and pull up a loop. I now have 3 loops on my hook. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. And then I'm going to work a single crochet in the next 4 stitches. And then decrease over the last 2 stitches. Insert your hook into the stitch, pull up a loop, insert your hook into the last stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Yarn over, turn your work, decrease over the first 2 stitches. Single crochet into the next 2 stitches. Decrease over the last 2 stitches. Now we're going to be switching to the next color. The next color is with the white yarn. Chain 1 and turn. And then I'm going to single crochet in each stitch. Yarn over and turn. decrease into the first 2 stitches, decrease over the last 2 stitches, turn, decrease, yarn over, and done. Then we just need to fasten off